Alright, Venom fans. Okay, I'm going to do a real quick video on how to put it up on the center stand. I do get this question a lot. People are trying to put them up when they're sitting on their motorcycles. That's just not practical. It's not going to happen. So, what you have to do, you're going to stand your motorcycle up. You're going to put your kickstand up. And then you're going to put your center stand down. When you put your center stand down, you reach just below the seat here. And you just kind of lift up and push back on your motorcycle. It's not, it seems like it's daunting and it's heavy, but it's really not. It's very simple to do. And again, to get it off, you just walk over, you can grab the back rack, just simply shove it forward, and there you go. And again, to put it back up, put your foot down, make sure you hold your foot down on it, reach down to where the peg is here, lightly lift, and pull back. And there you go, folks. That's it for that video. If you have any other special ideas or videos that you want, please leave it in the comments below. Other than that, like and subscribe, and happy motoring, everyone.